So now let's do some exercise for loop with a question which says to write a program in order to calculate the factorial of a number. So let's start our program to calculate the factorial. Start with the basic operators. We introduce some variables for say a equals, let's just leave it empty, and b equals 1. So I want to make a variable which asks me to type a number and run the program accordingly. In order to make this happen, I will use input function which will ask me a number when running a program. So a equals input, and run this. We can see it is waiting for us to give a number in command window. I'll give anything like 1. This is not looking good because it is asking to input the number and doesn't go to the next line. I'll make changes in the text of input command and add /n operator, which means to go to the next line. Now run and check. Yes, it is working and looking better now. Start our for loop, and our index is x equals 1 is to a, and our code is b equals b into x. Now and then for display. Now let's run this program and see the result. Now this is asking me to type a number. I choose 4 and the result is 24, which is correct. Let's see what is happening in the back of the loop when we put a number 4. It will start our loop, and first it will change itself without showing us to x equals 1 is to 4, and we know that the loop will run 4 times from point 1 to point 4. But when the loop is at point 1, it will go to our statement where we have b equals b into x, means b, which is 1, will multiply with x, which is also 1, and the result is 1, which is equals to b, and again loop will repeat, and this time x is at point 2. Then our statement, which is b equals, now here b is 1 again and x is 2. The result is 2 stored in b. Now the third point, our b is 2 multiplying with x means 3, and the answer will be 6, which will be stored in b. Now again the last time, our fourth point b is 6 multiplying by x. Now x is 4, means the result is 24 and stored as b, which makes b our final value 24. And when we display it, it will show us just the last value of b. Now if you think that b starts from 1, then change itself to 2, then again become 6, then 24, and not giving us all of these values, because when loop is at last point, means fourth point, our variable b will lose all past values and stored just the last one. We have another function called fprintf, which will print anything you want. So let's see how to use this function. Instead of display function, we will type fprintf and anything in the bracket. For say I'm tapping xyz is, and run. But this is not giving us the result because we didn't provide any information. So we'll make changes to it. The factorial is, this means that this statement prints our statement, which is factorial is, and slash n changes the line. Then percent %d operator means that this is the place where something will be stored, and by b we mean put value of b in that percent %d. Now run and see. Like this, we have make a program to calculate factorial of any number. Now we save this program and then clear our workspace. Then run this program again just to see that our program is saved or not. So I'll go in command window and type run factorial.mlx. .mlx is the extension of MATLAB live script, and .m is for script. And yes, our program is saved and waiting for a number, and this result is correct, but you can see here after the result it isn't changing line because we didn't say it to change. So it's not hard. Try and change the line after result and try to do that. Good luck.